nakadagangan ko to malapamali kami takakan maase na ka. Yucks! Huwag ka nang lumapit sa akin. Ang baho-baho mo, you're so dirty. Ew! Oh, why? Why on God's green earth were you created? Ambay ka sa gatapanduan proper hygiene? All you do is beg, beg, beg. Malalo man ba pulot la? Aroy, si mami to. Miyatay ko sa gaturista, artista, minsip di bangsa. At how day sa magsinama. Sikot na dun na alingkat. Sikot na dun na dayahan. Bala maase mapagkahina. Bala maase makasalopod di kalompang ko. Just because I am poor, you down me? Sekot na ako miskin, paya-iyano na ako. Miyatay, nuwal ka makasayuan minglisyan ni tati, kurusap ka ba sa milikan, nilo? Angay baha, kitam, ariyo panganda tam mabanan palao. Bang maka-iskol na, aminda pangadatan, abnod na saga pangatayan. Bilahin na tayo ng milikan, Italian, German, daasadya kaonan palao. Mbata kalipat ko huling si umma, makasi umina. Ebot-ebot anak. Daa kalipaton, bangbay miningga ka. Minsan maingga-maingga paglahatan, kataling kaldunya. Dapag kayain niya nakan kapalao, magdaraing bangsa sama. Ang kando, minsan do ko mga Jollibee, Chicken Joy, makasinang lagna. Agal-agal salad with its matching condiment. Bubok muntay makalarana, bangka masid o mga tinompe, deng niyasin kuhita kihampaw. Okay ka! Bisana! Saga paminturo, pamando, makitam, daa kinalipat ni Hinang, sagaaddat pusaka min bangsa kambombo antam. Sabab yan na ilitoongan, pangilahan kitam, pagsambatan. Our cultural identity, our ancestors' legacy, our universal right to self-determination. We must be proud of who we are, our way of life, our unique culture and traditions, our indigenous knowledge, systems, and practices, our heritage included in tourism promotions, such as our traditional dancing, Igal, and its accompanying musical ensemble, Tagungguan. We must instill them to the younger generation and include it in our educational program. I'm still grasping the breath of its magical sound, but let me show you how it is done. Ako ba ako niya nakansama, siyamal, badyaw, palao? Yanin pagtawag niyo kako. Yan ang tawag niyo sa akin. But that's not who I am. That's not me. Because that's what society tells us to be. We forgot to look at each other as a member of great humanity. That you and I are made in the image of our Creator. Allahu Rabbul Alamin. Min pagbatong, sampay pagluwas ko, mindayong kandang ina ko, paglahil ko ni Dunya. Hello world! I Ayaw mabadyaw? Asama? Apalao? No. The truth is that you and I have the same color of blood running through our veins. That this blanket of skin wrapping my body is a vein of my existence. That I am no different from you. That I am more than what your eyes can see. That we were more than the labels and titles of our supposed ethnicities. That we were meant to live so much more than our tribal identities. Have ears that hear, have eyes that see, that there's more to life than this. We must stand united against discrimination, hatred, and bigotry. In this piece of paradise, in the peaceful island province of Tawi-Tawi. Tawi-Tawi to the world! A beautiful slogan ever thought of, because we refuse to be called as a proverbial backdoor where thieves, robbers, bandits, and smugglers pass through. Because we are the gateway to our Southeast Asian neighbors. But why do we keep on ignoring the problem of our seas and shores? The ancestral domain of our people. The super highway of our sailors. But we have made it the largest garbage can in the world. It is in our very deep ocean that the unique and fascinating species was discovered. It is in our very deep ocean that the squid form of Sama people was uncovered. For we were born from the womb of the sea and cradled by the Mother Earth. For we are the center of the coral triangle and the beating hub of our planet Earth. In this God's given paradise, filled with cultural treasures, assets, and wealth. Yes, I am a Bajau and a Sama, as needed in documentation and presentation. Bantay dagat, jaga dilaut, sago umbal hasuko bangsa Sama dilaut. Kitam kamemon subay mag-inagon, magmohot-mohot, magtabang-tabang. We must come together, magtaayon, magtayakop, magbagot. For peace is the language of our hearts, and the peace of Islam was established in our abode. We must come together, protect the beauty, preserve the culture, and promote Tawi-Tawi as the gateway to the world. Magsukol ni Kam Kamemon, happy 51st, kamahardikan sin Tawi-Tawi.